Hey guys, aloha, welcome to Maui Napper. Well, it looks like 4th of July fireworks are canceled all over the place. And they're canceled here on Maui too. It just ain't right. But it's 4th of July. How can it be 4th of July without fireworks? I mean, come on. It's kind of depressing, isn't it? But wait, cancel that depression instead of the fireworks. Let's us do fireworks. Yes, you heard me right. I don't care if it's bad English. Let's us do fireworks. Us. How, you ask? Well, it turns out that I happen to have some unseen footage of some fireworks here on Maui. We can watch that? I mean, heck, it's fireworks, right? So here's the plan. I will upload the video to YouTube and then have it available for viewing at, let's say, 9 p.m. Eastern Time on Saturday the 4th of July. Yeah, let's do that. So let's see, 9 p.m. Eastern Time would be 8 p.m. Central Time, 7 p.m. Mountain Time, 6 p.m. Pacific Time. Alaska, I don't know about you folks, you're gonna have to figure that one out yourself because I think you guys might be over a couple of time zones, and then that'd be 3 p.m. Hawaii time. Yeah. If my math is off, then you guys figured out use 9 p.m. Eastern Time as the base for your math. And as far as you folks in other countries are concerned, well, it's an American holiday, but you're welcome to watch it with us, of course. Just don't expect me to do that time zone math for you. So the video will be available at that time, and of course, anytime thereafter, continuously. Let's see, what else? So that video will be here on the Maui Napper YouTube channel. I'll also have a link to it and information on the Facebook page. And if you haven't been there, of course, go to the Maui Napper Facebook page and Instagram, but especially the Facebook page, and check it out. We've got all kinds of pictures and great conversations, so be a lot of fun. That's where a lot of the day-by-day stuff goes, and then the videos all go here. So, does that sound like a plan? Okay, cool. So all you got to do now is figure out if you're going to watch it on the big screen in the yard, or in the living room, or on the phone, or wherever, and invite the family, the friends, the kids, the mosquitoes. We'll see you then. 9 p.m. Eastern Time, 4th of July. Be here. Aloha.